Energy is at the heart of growth, and growth needs to be catered to without skipping a beat. That's why we at Brothers Gas provide total energy solutions. We cater to local and global needs in the form of bulk liquid cylinders and ISO tanks. In over 3 decades, we have developed an extensive infrastructure comprising of huge storage capacity in LPG and cryogenics, filling plants, and agile distribution fleets. Today, Brothers Gas offers a wide range of energy solutions like the liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. Thousands of customers across sectors like hospitality, farming, cooking, power generation, transportation, heating have availed and benefited from our LPG services. Our LPG bottling plants are state-of-the-art. They meet the international standards and adhere to local regulations. We provide reliable delivery, experience and expertise, remote tank monitoring, and an engineering team. Brothers Gas also specializes in delivering industrial gases and chemicals, and we have played our part in scripting success stories in various sectors. We offer low-cost, versatile methods of gas supply. Cylinders can be of varying sizes, pressures, and purity, customized according to your business needs. Also, bulk deliveries by tanks provide a safe and reliable supply option for high-volume users. Our service doesn't just end at supply. As a responsible brand, we offer safety and application training, safe handling and storage, personal protective equipment, close monitoring of your refilling needs via a telemetry system is one of the key features of our service as well. And that's not all. At Brothers Gas, we export a wide range of gases and quality products to 35 other countries. Our strategically located offices and depots across the globe ensure tailor-made solutions which are reliable and continuous. Brothers Gas today is at the heart of growth for millions of customers and clients around the globe, and we are ready to serve 1 million more.